How to fix a TikTok friend not showing up in Send-To on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve the issue of not being able to send videos to a specific person. First, go to your home screen and long press on the TikTok icon and tap App Info. After that, tap Force Stop and confirm to completely shut down the app and clear any stuck background processes. From there, reopen TikTok and try sending a video to that person again to see if they now appear in the Send To list. At this point, if they're still not showing up, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data that may be causing the issue. In the next step, also make sure you and that person are still following each other, as TikTok may restrict sending videos between accounts that aren't mutually connected. Following this, uninstall TikTok completely by long pressing the icon and tapping Uninstall. Once done, open the Play Store and reinstall TikTok fresh and log back into your account to see if the issue is resolved. From here, if that specific person still doesn't appear in your Send To list after reinstalling, it may be worth reporting the problem directly to TikTok. Finally, to report it, open the app and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Report a Problem. Describe the issue clearly and submit it so TikTok's team can look into it. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the TikTok Send To issue on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.